Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find, copy, and share your WhatsApp link easily. So first up, what you need to do is to open your WhatsApp on your device. And then from here, just make sure that you tap on the settings option at the bottom right section of the screen. And then in here, you should be able to see your profile. And you will see this QR logo or icon at the right-hand section. You're just going to tap on that, and then here you'll have access to your QR code. Now here it says your QR code is private, and if you share it with someone, they can scan it with their WhatsApp camera to add you as a contact. Now in here you can also scan another QR code so that you can add a different person, but this is what you're going to use to share your WhatsApp link. You can also tap on this share icon so that you can share it on a specific person or to a specific social media platform. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.